Hi people! I just hope na nasama kayo sa every step of the way. So pretty! Now, my plan is to put... This is like a true personality of mine. It looks cute! This one looks cute. Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Rain, and I'm back for another vlog. If you guys are wondering bakit ako naka-cap today, you guys will come with me today. I'll be having my hair chopped or having my hair cut. Recently guys, sobrang arte ko na with my hair. I don't know. Pero kasi before, meron akong history about losing hair or like hair fall, saka dandruff. So ngayon, tinitreat ko siya. Actually, up until now, tinitreat ko siya. Condo update guys. It's coming to life. Like everything is coming to life. Medyo messy pa rin siya as usual. Pero it's okay na. Nagiging okay na siya. Right? Okay guys, I'm out. Actually, ayokong nagtatry ng other salon. Ever since kasi guys, sa Trinoma branch ko ng David Salon nagpapagupit. And lagi ako nasa-satisfy sa gupit ko. I'm not sure lang since I moved out na kailangan ko makahanap ng magandang salon. So, hopefully people okay yung service saka yung gupit here. Dito na ako guys sa mga gupitan section. We have here like the barber shop. People, excuse my hair. Kasi alam kong magpapagupit ako today. Kaya hindi ako nag-shampoo. Because like my hair tends to be dry. I look clean na ulit. Hindi na ako mukhang na-trap sa forest. Si Miss Princess yung nag-cut ng hair ko this time. Oh. Like it. I'll take a video just in case. Yan ba yung gamit mo? May lagi din natin lang. Okay guys, I'm loving my hair so much. Like literally. So pretty. It's so smooth. Tapos binili ko din yung hair serum nila kahit medyo mahal. It's like 800 pesos. Tapos super maliit lang. Pero kasi tignan nyo, ang ganda. Parang ang shiny ng hair ko. It looks okay. It looks healthy. My hair looks healthy. Hey people, I'm back na sa unit and I'm rushing to do this one TikTok na I'm rushing to do this one TikTok na kailangan kong gawin. Yeah, at least naabutan ko yung natural sunlight. Nagawin na natin siya. Guys, super ganda ng sunset. Like literally, I could stare at the sunset for like hours. Oh, it's so pretty. Girl, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Hi guys, so it's dinner time. It's time to cook. So, dinadefrost ko lang yung meat ko. Gawin natin for today's video ay sinigang. Alam mo, chef. Ngayon na lang ulit ako magko-cook. At ngayon na lang ulit ako makakain ng hindi fried food. Yeah, because like I don't have someone to cook for me. Kasi kasi nanay ko lang naman yung nagluluto for me. So, ayun, I'm about to cook sinigang. Oh, sinigang ko, konti lang yung vegetables. Like, kangkong, patatas. Yeah, I put patatas on sinigang. Okay. Let's do it. Come on, come on, come on. Guys, huwag niyo akong i-judge kung mali yung ginagawa ko. This is how I cook. If mali man yung ginagawa ko, guys, mag-comment na lang kayo down below. I accept constructive criticism. How I can improve my cooking. Actually, yung pagbabalat pa lang nito, parang mali. It's aray! Guys, tingnan nyo. Pinayin ako ng sibuyas. Ikaw, pinapayak mo ako kung sibuyas ka. Ay, ang sakit. Ayoko na. Kita niyo ba yung luha ko? This is my luha, oh. Guys, pinayak ako ng sibuyas. Sabong ko na kay mama. Mas okay yung magdadagdag kaysa yung magbabawas. Okay, so iboboil ko lang to, guys. Itong tomatoes, potatoes, and the sibuyas. Actually, lahat. Masyado ba itong madami? Habang naghihintay tayo pakuluan yung tomato, potato, at yung onion, i-chop na natin itong pork. Like, literal na bite size lang, guys. Guys, di ko na kayo na-update pero nilagay ko na yung pork, tinimplahan ko na din siya with sinigang mix, salt and pepper, pork cubes, and other oh my gosh, hindi pa daw ako pagpala dito. Ayun na yung situation niya ngayon. I'll be putting yung vegetables pag malapit na siyang matapos. Like, nakuha ko na yung gusto kong timpla. Then, I'll put green and red na sili. Kasi nagpapadagdag siya ng lasa and I want it spicy. Guys, alam nyo, display lang to. No, kumakain naman ako onte. Guys, look. Wow! Looks yummy. Look how pretty the sky is. Hi people! So, I have here my pakilang visitor kayo. Siguro mga pang 9th visitor. Sila yung mga constant friend group ko since elementary. Hindi ko pa napapakita ang last kong video. Wala pang carpet, wala pang coffee table, wala pang desk. Tapos iba pa yung fan ko. Anong gusto niyong kainin?
Kayo ba? Pizza sa sabi? Pizza.
Nasa na? Kasi yung SNR sa loob. Like sa loob siya na.
Saan ba tayo?
Hi! What did you eat? Wala pa. We got, ilapag na natin dito. We got pasta. Ano to? Alfredo, diba? Dalawa. Then pizza.
And tatlong spaghetti.
Then spaghetti. Nandito, guys. Spaghetti, chicken, and rice. Tara, let's eat! Ilagay natin yung food there, tapos dito tayo kumain, ilapag natin yung mga stuff. Tapos upo na lang tayo dito sa carpet. Right? Is it a great idea?
It's so brilliant.
I know.
Mas brilliant yung kay Adria Brilliant.
Food here. Yeah, that organized kayo.
Kasi hindi ko ano gagawin ko. Hindi ko na kayo sino. Tapos yung get up mo ka. Oversized na damit. Really na? Kakain ka doon, ano?
Yeah! Ay, si hi ka. Yay! Ang dami natin.
Yummers!
Yum, yum! birthday, guys! Thank you, Lord. Sumasakses na tayo. Step by the step, ha? Uy, mag-pray tayo bago tayo kumain sabay-sabay. Hindi na pag pinlogi mo.
Ang pogi ng river dun. So, I would never redemption art na si Mika. Yes, amen. Kasi, ganyan yung ano.
Ay, what the hell? Ano gusto niyo panoodin? Wala pa mamaya pa rin eh.
Story ni Mika.
Real.
Good naman pa yun.
Happy ba kayo, guys?
Super.
We're still eating!
Ano condiment to? Like, hot honey.
Hi guys, what's up? It's been a month of living alone and hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo ever since my last vlog, which was around February, and it's April, second week of April na. And super dami na nangyari dito sa apartment ko. I just hope na nasama ko kayo sa every step of the way. Pero yun, ang dami nangyari guys. Like, I lost my grandparent, so much work, workloads, ang daming conflicts. I feel like it's the Mercury and Venus retrograde talaga. I built my room quite fast and hindi ko na na-vlog isa-isa yon. Like, I got my sofa, a carpet, like, coffee table or center table. I got myself an office chair, drawers and everything. I'll show you guys later. Pero now, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga napamili ko sa IKEA. Yeah! So, lagay ko lang kayo dito. Pumunta ko sa IKEA last week. And, I got myself a 2 toilet mat. Yeah, toilet mat. Then, a vase. A cute vase. This one was given to me by a friend. Tapos, I got myself a plant. Here. This is a real plant, people. Totoong plant siya. Ayan. Another real plant. Ayan. Cute, no? Cute sila. Yun. Just a little update to you guys. Ano ba nangyari? Hindi ko alam saan sisimulan ate ko. I put a backlight dito sa aking TV, pati sa TV cabinets. I don't know, TV rack. Tingnan nyo guys. Tada! It's so pretty! Ganda no? Tapos naiiba-iba yung color niyan. Tapos, na-set up ko na din guys yung Google ko. Ayun o. Na-set up ko na yung Google ko dyan. Then, medyo maganda na yung likod ko, diba guys? Parang pwede na mag-vlog. Alam nyo, sana talaga napakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko kinakabit kasi it is a struggle. It was a struggle. I got myself a coffee table. Ganda no! A couch. Tapos a carpet. Yeah. Sabay-sabay ko sila binili guys. Tapos, eto nabili ko sa Mr. DIY. Cute ng mga throw pillow. Dito ko naman nilagay yung table. Ayan, sobrang dami pang kalat actually. I got myself a new fan kasi yung fan ko last time, huwag kayong bumili nun guys. Sobrang hina nun, walang binubuga na air. Now, I got myself an Asahi. Ayan. Medyo pricey nga lang siya, pero it does the job. May isa akong pagkakamali. Huwag kayo, ito yung, I mean, naman, buying online is a trial and error. Like, hindi naman lahat maganda yung bibili mo since hindi mo siya actual na nakikita. Pero sobrang ganda niya sana. It's an error talaga ng seller. This is a acrylic chair. Mali talaga yung napadala nila. Kaso, tamad na kasi ako guys. Then yung Japanese lantern lamp ko, nandito lang siya. Sobrang init guys, tingnan nyo. Yeah. Pa-sunset naman na. Grabe, sobrang nice. Hindi ko akalain na mabibuild ko siya agad within a month. Feeling ko dahil gusto ko talaga siyang i-build. Okay, mag-alala guys. Once natapos na tong condo, give me another month. I'll do a room tour or apartment tour. Yun guys. Medyo madumi lang siya ngayon kaya ayokong ilagay yung ulo ko. No, shit. Here. Guys, I swear, Tinry ko maigi. Pero like parang 20 minutes straight ko nang fini-figure out. Hindi siya mapasok sa butas. Sa sobrang hirap, sobrang ngawit na ako ate ko. Like hindi ko alam kung kaya ko ba to or magpapatulong na lang ako. Tinatry ko siya. Hindi siya kaya ng screwdriver ko. Huwag hindi naman tayo nagmamadali, nak. In-unwrap ko lang siya, guys, para sa inyo at nagsayang ako ng 20 minutes. Nigpitin muna natin siya. Like, hindi talaga siya kasha. Tamang ligpit siya. Someone sent me a flower. This one is a crochet bouquet from Cibol. So pretty. I like it. Now, my plan is to put this bouquet of crochet flowers here. Ayun, sobrang sad. Kaya let's take a moment to appreciate this beauty. How much kaya yung mga ganito? Parang I want to give it to my mom. Guys, hindi ko magupit yung whole stuff kaya tatanggalin ko na lang to isa-isa. Since they are fake. Mabilis lang siya. Since ang haba ng strings na. Ah! It's so cute! Tanggal na siya, sis. Ayaw niyang magpatanggal. Tapos na ako magkalat, guys. At ito na yung bouquet of crochet. It's so pretty, no? Guys, rate my flower arrangement skills. Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Rain. Good afternoon to everyone. It's Friday today. It's Holy Week. So, wala akong pasok sa work today. Kaya, ang dami kong time mag-ayos. Ang agenda ko for today is to fix my shelves. If you remember yung last time na tinatry kong gawin, na-built na siya. A friend helped me to build that shelves and it took us like around 3 hours. Pero nung nalaman na namin siya gawin at the first try, medyo mabilis na namin siya gawin. I won't lie to you guys, pero chinek ko na yung ibang stuff dito. Tinry ko na siyang i-mix and match para mas madali ko siyang ilagay at ipakita sa inyo. So for the upper layer, for the top, nilagay ko dito yung DJI, my camera, and my signature perfume. Tinry kong ilagay here. Hindi ko alam kung sure na ba to. Tinry ko siyang ilagay dito. Para lang meron siyang parang ma-blend everything. Just to like to add a touch na there's still a light wood. I saw kasi sa Pinterest na they usually patong stuff. So, nilalagay ko siya dito. Hindi naman siya mukhang ewan. Pero, hindi ko lang alam guys. Nakikita nyo ba siya? And okay naman siya. I add my metallic bag that was given to me by a friend. Sobrang random nito guys, pero magmumukha siyang okay. Magmumukha siyang aesthetically pleasing. Hindi ko alam ba't ko siya dito nilagay kasi wala namang saksakan dito. Katabi niya dito is yung DJI ko. Yeah, kunwari ito na lang. Ayan. Nalagay ko yung DJI ko here. Meron akong fake book ng Chanel and Gucci sa room ko before. Ayan, nilagay ko siya here. Then with a plant that I got from IKEA. Then for the last layer ng rock, nilagay ko dito yung malapit ko na ding mamatay na plant from IKEA. Actually, namamatay na yung ibang plant. Then yung katabi niya dito is a frame, a gray frame na plant din, nakamukha niya. This is like a two personality of mine. Silver heels, na nagmamatch siya dito sa shelves ko. My two personalities. Diba? It looks cute. This one looks cute.